Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome to yet another great episode of Project X with Project X. Yes, so today I feel so happy, guys. You don't want to know. Going back to this memory lane, I'm just like, man, a person has been through a lot of ups and downs and everything, you name it. But yeah, today I'll be sharing you. I'll be sharing with you how I actually flipped my 500 into like 11,000 rands. Actually, it was 11.6 to be exact. You can check the screenshot there. Basically, it wasn't something huge or something. It was just a few trades from different instruments. One which was gold, of course. So my strategy works on everything, guys. Works on everything. The only thing that you just have to have is patience. Patience, and you make lot and lot of money. Like you'll see, I'll post videos on how far I've gone thus far. This is just me just going back memory lane and how maybe some trades which I was able to screenshot and everything. So let me share with you how I managed to make that 11,000. So yeah, stay tuned. First thing I'd like you to do is to just click the subscribe button and like this video, comment. I would like to hear, man, what you think and what you would like me to do for you, like help you with like the analysis you would want me to do, maybe I don't know, anything there is to say. And also, if you want to be part of my community, Project X community, you might as well click on the banner. There's a link there, my WhatsApp link. You can just click there and just text me. I'll get back to you on time. And then lastly, the broker that I'm using and which I would like to recommend is Globex 360, a very reliable broker. It has been in the game for some time now. It has a friendly website, and yeah, should you want to sign in, just hit on the link there, text me, and and then I'll help you step by step on how to subscribe to them or how to sign up with them. And yeah, same day withdrawals, like less than 24 hours, whether in South Africa or Swaziland or anywhere in the world. So yeah. So let's just get right straight to it. So usually my trades are I swing, I scalp. So this one I took right now was one of my swing trades. But if yeah you wanna follow me or do what I do on a daily basis, where you're gonna see where I take my entries on the 5 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, 1 hour. Usually that's where I play with during the week. And people in the community, we just like trade those time frames because we get trades like each and every day. There's no day which goes by without us, taking a trade. Of which that's what I love about the strategy, man. So yeah, let me just show you one of the good trades which I had. So I'll be breaking down the strategy, but for more and more and transitioning down to how I take this 15 minutes entries and all the largest, hit on the link up there. I'll get you sorted and you'll be part of the community in no time. Easy peasy. So yeah, we have a chart like it's gold. So firstly, I like to see the right movement or the right direction. You should know the direction of the market. That's what guides you, because we don't want to find ourselves trading against the trend. Always, you should try and trade the trend. We trade the trend. We don't trade against it. So yeah, if you haven't done it, just click on the subscribe button, man, and like this video and share this video. So now we see, as we all can see, it's an uptrend because of this lower high, this high highs. So, but any time from now, we can see like a potential move to the upside. As you can see, the market is playing on this trend line, which it has been respecting. So we might have a potential move to the upside, then down, or because now the market is, yeah, it might There's a probability and a possibility here. Probability and a possibility. So this is going to happen. You know, where we always have two instances that the market might play out, on how the market might play out. You understand? So basically, having these two possibilities, we have to see or rather wait for confirmations in order to confirm whether the market is going to surpass this array line, go up or go down. So now let's go back to my candles. So yeah. So right now we see it's in a potential uptrend, but according to my strategy, there's nothing that I can possibly do right now. Or like only thing that I see right now is order block which the market created right here. You know, from this zone, the market had only buyers in the market. There were no sellers. So there's an imbalance that's happening in the market, but that cannot tell me anything of yet. And so far, also the market created an imbalance here, which it has also mitigated. So far, I don't have any trade that I can take. Understand? I would have taken a trade, yeah, when the market like try to mitigate this imbalance and it went down. But anyways, nonetheless, let's just see how the market plays out and take it from there. So far, I don't see anything, and I don't trade anything when I don't see anything. That's how it is. That's how simple it is. Don't force the market. You understand? So let's wait for it and see what it gives us. So far, there's nothing interesting that I see. So basically, what there is here is this imbalance which the market created. As you can see here in this zone, there were only sellers. Buyers only ended here, and going down, it was only sellers. Now the market is trying to go up to mitigate this imbalance. So when it's done mitigating, we'll have a move to the downside. Amen. So yeah, now that's what I'm gonna be trading. Now I do have a clear direction, what the like a clear view of what the market is going to do. You understand? So one thing that I would like you to check right now is that the market has been so far from here, respecting this trend line. From here, it rejected, as you can see. From here, it rejected, went up, rejected again, went up, went up, rejected again. Like it's been rejecting until here, where it then broke. Understand? So now this breaking off this trend line might mean that we are looking for a potential move to the downside, especially to this order block here, because the market has to mitigate this sellers buyers imbalance. You understand? So basically now I have confluences in my strategy. Whenever I'm going to take a trade, I always have guidelines. Let me just write them down for you. I have guidelines in every trade that I take. I don't just enter trades anyhow. I always follow my guidelines. So my guidelines is like I first confirm the trend, confirm the trend. I look at the channel, possible channels there are. As you saw, I started with the channel. I confirmed the trend now. It has changed direction. It's going down as it broke the trend line, and there's going to be a break of structure. There's going to be a break of structure there. Oh. Also Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci which has to be like the Fibonacci has to be 50%. The retracement has to be 50% or more in that Fibonacci. And most importantly, I need to have an order block with an imbalance. That one is just like I wouldn't take any trade without that. And lastly, I need to confirm with I need to see a complete mitigation. I don't trade the mitigation, but I trade when the market has completely done the mitigation. If this is all wild to you, the mitigation and all the like, you might just hit the link there, go to my WhatsApp. I'll explain everything to you on a step basis. Like we're gonna go on a Zoom call, everything every day until you get where I am too. So from here, I've already spotted my imbalance where there's only sellers in the market. Understand? So an order block was created here. I check. There has been a change of structure here. If you could note, the market now is starting to break structures and go down. There has been a break of structure here. As you can see, the market now is going down instead of like going up. You understand? So this is a break of structure. Also, the break of structure. I'm trying to explain this as more carefully as I could, like, but there's ton of great content I'm leaving behind. Of course, it wouldn't be fair for everybody who subscribed to the community that I'm teaching out the whole strategy and everything. That I won't lie. I'm just giving you like glimpse of what we do. And this is something that we do on daily basis, on even more interesting on those lower time frames. You know, some of you guys are finding it hard to like find trades in the lower time frame, how to transition from the daily to the 4 hour to the 1 hour, 15 minutes, and all the like. They're finding it hard to transition. But you know what? It is very, very, very easy, man. So what I have right now, there's this impulse, which it has started to mitigate almost above the 50% thing, a rule I have. And also, we have an order block with imbalance up there, meaning the only sellers in the market, not no buyers. So the market now, it is not a healthy trend. Order block with imbalance. It is not a healthy trend. So the institutions always try and fill their orders so that the market can continue being in a healthy trend. So basically, that's how I'll be taking my entries. Great confidence, because this thing has been well back tested for like years and years and years and years and years. You just gotta plug in and play. I feel like, at some point I feel like this is just too easy now, man. Like it is too easy now. Don't get me wrong, Forex is very hard, especially when you don't give it time, when you just sleep on it, it's gonna chow you. I made this 11K after having lost a lot, man. After having lost, you should be prepared to lose. That one I won't lie about. You should be prepared to lose at some point. So yeah. So my target will be placed on this order block here, because we are bound to move from an order block to an order block. You understand? I'll put my stop loss to be slight above my actual stop loss, just to let the market breathe. Another thing, you don't have to be tough on the market. Don't kill it. So I've confirmed the trend. No, that now it is broken structure starting to go down. It has broken the strongest trend line of things. So now we're looking for potential sells to the downside. The channel, the channel which it has broken, and also there's this channel which now is going up, which is this pattern. Some of you may call it what do you call this thing? Impulse correction and impulse. Some may know it as this. So this is actually the pattern that I see right now. This is the pattern that's happening here. So what's happening now is to see this second impulse to this downside. Impulse correction, impulse. You understand? Basically, that's how that's the basic movement of the market. You understand? So yeah, that's how simple it is. You don't have to complicate this thing, man. Of course, there's a lot of info behind this strategy, and this is an altered Fibonacci. It's just not it's not the simple one. How to spot imbalances and mitigation and all the lives. All you have to do is just subscribe and hit the notification button. Whenever I'm gonna post a video, I'm gonna be explaining how to spot an imbalance, how to master your entries and everything. You just have to stick around for more content and more content. But nonetheless, you can get everything in less than 3 months. You'll be like profitable like I am. So now let's see how the market reacted to this zone. So I'm expecting the market to come hit my order and then go down with me, just like this. Okay. So short plug and play. You see, the market did like tag me in, as you all can see. As you all can see, the reason I said I like putting the stop loss just above the actual stop loss so that the market can breathe. You don't want this to happen to you, because it does happen. This does happen, where you just get like taken out by just one peep, and then you're gone. And the trade, look at the candle. Look at the candle that just followed there. Full grown candle got to the downside. You check. Otherwise, we were tagged in, and then the trade went away. Let's see how far it went, because I'm expecting it to come to this order block. Expecting it to come to the order block right there. Done. Our TP is hit. You understand? Our TP is hit. Guys, this is not simple. This is not hard at the same time. You check. You just have to understand how the market goes, how the institution trades. You understand? I've been a retail trader for the longest time, and that is not working. Trust me, it's not working. If you're a beginner, I would urge you, you're gonna lose a lot of money if you don't follow the simple strategy and everything. You're gonna lose a lot of money. And right here, I'm here to help you, to make such change in your trading career, in your trading whatever journey that you have started. Please just hit on the link up there and contact me on my WhatsApp, or even you can DM me on IG, Monge_Chao there on IG. You can just send me a DM. And man, come on, I don't want to eat alone. I just sent, like, way back, not so long ago, it's early this year, I just flipped that 500 into like 11K, bro. And that's not alone. I'll post other videos where I flipped insane profits. And I also flipped my losses, because I've also made some like 15K losses and stuff. That's what I don't want you to do. So this is just an example of a trade that I took in the making of that 11,000. So yeah, stay tuned to this channel for more content and everything. This is your boy Monge_Chavo, Project X, signing out.